If you're looking to do keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheets that you actually know in Excel, here's how to enable that. Go up to Help and go to Keyboard Shortcuts. Over in Keyboard Shortcuts, you'll see this Enable Compatible Spreadsheet Shortcuts. That's a long way of saying this is for Excel users. Click this toggle button, and now you can actually use Excel keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheets. Click X, there you go. That's how you enable your Excel keyboard shortcuts in Google Sheets. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.